Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni, founder and CEO of Strot Consultech, helping small and medium businesses to grow. Last 5 years, we have been doing that. In this new concept called as Hatke, we're talking to various personalities, individuals, influential personalities, business owners who have been looking at the complete scenario as differentiated or Hatke to keep not only themselves running, up, going, but also making sure that their businesses are run. They are kind of leading from the front. And in that series, we have Manju Fadke, who had been a corporate trainer, has spent a good amount of time in corporate training, as well as been influential in circles, social circles or business circles like Rotary, having contributed a lot into that space. So Manju, great to have you on this platform.
Hi, great to be here too.
Wonderful. So typically I start with this, everybody is thinking this scenario as, lockdown, people not able to move. I'm seeing a smile on your face. So how do you look at the current situation, Manju?
Yeah, so I look at it as an opportunity, the things that you've not been able to do because of your busy schedule. And I used to travel a lot before the lockdown. And when I say travel, I just mean that I used to be out of the house. So, just being in the house, and I've always had this, inner, I will not say a dream, but a want that I will want to be in the house for a long time. And I always used to ask my husband, why do I travel so much and you are always at home alone and you get to spend so much of time with yourself? And why don't you travel and leave me alone for some time in the house? And I think God has listened to my wish, and I'm happy being at home.
Wonderful. So how are you looking at, HATK stands for H for health, A for attitude, T for technology, K for knowledge, and E for engagement. I believe you are very strong in the engagement part of it, meeting people and talking to them. Does that keep you motivated? What is that keeps you motivated?
Yeah, so if you look at Hatke health-wise, as I said, I never, probably that was just an excuse, but now that I have so much of time, and there is not times wasted in traveling and all, I'm using a lot of time for my own exercises. So I exercise almost 2.5 hours every day.
Wow.
So I'm happy about that. Health, yes, even the diet is on. So two things. One is I have to cook less if I diet. And of course, it reduces my weight. So that is there. Attitude, of course, I've always had a positive attitude. So I've never, for a second, also thought that, how it is going to be, what will happen to our lives. I'm sure everything will fall in place and we are all in the same boat. So we understand each other. So tomorrow, if there is a business which has got lost because of lockdown, next time when you go to the same client, he is going to understand that, we all were in the lockdown. So probably he's going to look at you in a little more positive sense than just a sales call,
Okay.
So I think attitude wise, all of us will have changed it at the end of this lockdown or this corona phase of our lives, and probably we'll be more connected to each other as human beings, and that attitudinal shift is what we should hope for, and which will happen as per my guess.
I see.
Technology, yes, we are all using technology today. You and me are on the Zoom call doing this wonderful interview, and engagement, at least for these 2 months, not 2 months, just little lesser than 2 months, everybody's at home. So I feel it's probably more of an engagement. You will see that people are having family get-togethers, people are having Zoom parties, people are having business meetings, people are having social meetings, even our colony federation meeting happens over Zoom.
Wow.
So there is actually not actually any stop or anything to this whole thing. Probably, yes, some of the businesses like hotels and travels have got affected, but I'm sure, they will all make up for it, because, it's like a spring action. Last 2 months, if you have not been able to go out, or if it extends to, let's say, more, at the end of it, we all will go more to restaurants, we'll all go more traveling. We will, try to make it or compensate for the lost time. Probably the ways that we travel, the way we go to a restaurant will change. There will be new normal, as everybody else is saying around. But I think everything should fall back to okay. I mean, we're not going to be like, it's not not like an end of the world, is what I feel.
Mhm. What I hear is time to introspect, retrospect, spend time with yourself more,
Absolutely.
spend time for your own health, and then eventually extend it further. How does this, I'd call it engagement or involvement, a lot of involvement that you have with the initiatives like Rotary. What is the motive and how does it actually help you on both fronts, personal as well as professional business front?
So professionally, I'm into education and I'm into vocational education. So, 99.9% of my students are economically challenged. They have an
Mhm.
economically challenged background. So they are the ones who are looking at jobs, plus, they're doing their studies. So all my students are working in the industry. A lot of them are working in pharmaceutical industry. So they are still working. And because we cannot conduct classes, the physical classes, we are doing virtual classes. And you will not believe, forget this urban rural divide as far as the technology is concerned. All my students who are sitting in the most rural parts
Okay.
of our country are all connected through Zoom. All of
Yeah.
them have smartphones. I don't know
Smartphones.
how they manage, but they do manage to have a smartphone. They are all on Zoom classes. They are all attending,
Wow.
and it has given me a new way of connecting with them. Because if I had to really connect with them, I had to travel to, sometime to Mumbai, sometime to Kurkum, sometime to down south in Konkan, and so on and so forth. But now I can actually connect more with them, and they require that kind of, counseling, because one, they are very young at young by age, and at that age they have to work for 5 days and study
Hmm.
for 2 days
Okay.
without enjoying the college life that you and me did. So there is a feeling that they miss out on something. So I have to ensure that I keep counseling them, that it's okay, give these 3 years to your life and your career will be made. So I think I will be able to do that more efficiently and more effectively through the Zoom, now that even they are all connected. So I'm really happy, that this new way of life has come in for my profession as such.
Right.
Even the faculty members who are into rural paths are learning new technologies, and they call me, ma'am, बरं झालं,
Uh-huh.
हे झालं, आम्ही पण नवीन काहीतरी शिकतोय.
क्या बात है.
So people are learning, आणि एंगेजमेंट मला नाही वाटत ती कुठे कमी झाली आहे. As far as Rotary is concerned, starting from 20th of May, I am having 2 hours session every day to ensure that I connect with at least more than 1,500 Rotarians in the district.
Oh. Hmm.
So huge, and a lot of things have changed even in Rotary. All the trainings that we used to spend so much of money on, of course from our own pockets, is now saved.
Oh.
And we are doing all these Zoom trainings. So there is one training which is starting even today. So there are a lot of things, and people have adapted to the change. And I feel organizations like my professional organization, or even Rotary, which can adapt quickly to the change, that is why they have been sustaining, especially Rotary. If you talk about Rotary,
Okay.
when Nokia and people like that have gone into extinction, Rotary is in existence for 115 years. One of the reasons is that they've been able to adapt to any change quickly.
I
And
think.
I think
Uh-huh.
that is most important for any business.
Wonderful. So what I'm hearing is that your reach, एक रेजिस्टन्स असतो आपला की अरे हे करावं नाही करावं. सो ऑनलाईन ट्रेनिंग और नॉट गोइंग टू द क्लासेस, नो नो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट द राईट कंटेंट डिलिव्हर्ड. त्यांना समजणार नाही. दोज आर सिटिंग रिमोटली, त्यांचं लक्ष कधी राहील, अटेन्शन स्पॅन कमी असतो. ऑल दॅट हॅज बीन प्रूव्हन एज अ मिथ. अँड यू आर सीइंग इवन द rural students also attending more. I'm also hearing that त्यांचं लक्ष जास्त असतं. त्यांचा eagerness जास्त असतो, because now there is no compulsion. I mean, they are doing it from their own passion or interest to learn, right? I think that is the message that is coming out.
So कसं आहे ना की those students are the ones who have seen the worst in their lives. So they have that fire in the belly, and it is far more satisfying to counsel them, to mold them, to see their lives being changed. People's the students who have something like 20,000 income, which is like per annum, which you and me can't even think about. And then suddenly they get a job of 27,000 per month. And the smile and the happiness that you see on their face is tremendous. And because they have this fire in the belly, they do everything. So I have students who did not have a smartphone, who will go to their mamas, chachas, or neighbors' house to use their smartphone, to use probably their bandwidth. And everybody is helping each other, so goodness of human is coming out of this phase, is what I feel.
Good. There is a saying called as, when there is a will, there is a way. Either ठरवलं की it absolutely happens. Another thing, as you are pointing out, I have observed is that this pandemic has put us into equal state. Everybody is thinking about, if you take Maslow's triangle, the basic thing is roti kapda makan, right? Everybody is thinking, आज माझी कसं होणार आहे? Today I will get to eat, tomorrow I will get a salary, how do I run my family? So everybody is absolutely at the equal, and that's where the beauty, where if you think that you're not different, that beauty of equalness is coming out in the form of inclusion, I believe, right?
Yes, there was a joke on the WhatsApp recently, now my business is equal to Tata's and Birla's because our turnover is same. So that's the attitude I think I like. And as you rightly said, it's a these situations are great equalizers. They will put everybody in its place. If you are flying too high, it will bring you down. If you're too down, it will also tell you that others are down, so don't worry, there is going to be an up also in your life. So मला असं वाटतं की it all depends upon how you take these changes.
Right. And another thing, quick adoption to the situation, as you rightly pointed out. A small shrub which actually just leans down when the water comes, instead of the big tree which actually tries to resist. The tree falls, but the shrub survives. So I think the message is, where you align, adapt to the change, adapt to the challenges. And you gave an example of Rotary as an institution also, which has survived all these changes and challenges, I believe. Now coming back to another dimension of currency in the current state, money is getting only spent for जे जीवनावश्यक गोष्टी आहेत, त्याच्यावरती money spent होता, and it is more like an expense. Nobody is doing investment. It is very difficult to also manage business, to have the outlays like salaries. So what is the currency of the current state? I was just thinking whether it is something where I give good positivity, good thoughts, I generate goodwill with somebody, I talk to my customers and build that kind of a rapport for future. So what's the currency in your view in the current state? It is not definitely money, right?
So I think relationships is the currency. Relationships within the house, relationships outside. Had it not been Corona, why would you and me be on this interview today? So relationships which were, probably not even thought of before, are coming into the existence. And of course, the attitude behind these relationships, so I always feel that attitude is the most important things which can take you through any situation. And so currency will be relationships based on attitude, is what I believe.
Wonderful. I think that's a good summary. What I would say is, now, if you look back, anything that you find in your past that you think that has helped you the most, and you would say that that's something that people also should follow in your past, or in what you have done, or contributions. in your?
So I have never been the run of the mill kind of a professional. So I've always wanted some challenges in life. So if you'll see my profile, you'll see that I started off with something, then did something, then did something.
Always hatke.
And so I keep changing and I'm happy doing it. Nobody can sit judgment as to what is your, definition of success. And if I am being able to do what I want in life, I think that is the most simplest definition of success and being happy. So I have not shied away from trying new things. I have not, fallen prey to this thing that, you can be known as jack of all trades and master of none. Because I believe that whatever I've done, I have mastered it and then moved on to the next thing. So I always feel की जे काय कराल ते चांगलं करा. त्याच्यातनं तुम्हाला जितका हॅपीनेस मिळतो, पण ज्या क्षणी त्यातनं हॅपीनेस मिळायचा थांबेल, that क्षणी you must have the guts and the daring to move out of that place and find a new pastures for you to, find your
new
happiness.
areas. Basically, what you're saying is do best in what you have a passion in or where your heart goes. Give that time, give that kind of a contribution, make that successful, and then if at all things change, yeah, we open. We are humans. Get to some other. एका फांदीवरनं दुसऱ्या फांदीवरती जाऊन तिथं नवीन गोष्ट.
So don't be afraid of shifting. It's okay. You can't really be doing the same thing and then cribbing that, it's becoming too monotonous. Then have the guts to move on and, find the new things to do in life.
Yeah, I was talking to somebody and he explained a principle. Maybe I'll just quote it. It's called as ACR. A is accept the current situation. C is change. Either you change yourself to adapt or change the situation. Or if at all you find that you are not relevant or they are not relevant, remove either them or you.
Yes.
Exactly. I think that's absolutely
something like this
resonating to what you're saying.
Yes.
Tell me, Manju, what's that something that you are missing big time in this lockdown?
What I'm missing is my travel, because I'm a travel freak, and every June I go for my solo travels, sometimes in US, sometimes in Europe. And when I go on solo travels, there is nobody with me. I do not go with any group. I do not go with any itinerary. I do not go with any bookings. I just land in one of the countries and then plan my thing out there. I mix up with locals there and I learn the way they live rather than just, tick marking the tourist places in a particular country. So probably I spend a day and a half in tick marking those places. So then, it should not happen. I go to Paris and I have not seen the Eiffel Tower. So I do that. But remaining next 4-5 days, I then try to live there like a local, find out how they do, what kind of food they eat, what kind of activities they do. So that is something I'm missing. I'm really missing, because it's going to, my June trip is not going to happen.
All right. Coming down to a last leg, maybe as we see, many of us are actually eager to see somebody that we can see as a Deepastamba and look at following them. So maybe, they are a little bit on a lull side. They don't think high. They're not getting that exposure. So what's in your view, Manju, that you would give as a message to them to get them inspired, to make them look at, something that they can look up to or as a role model?
So there's one thing which I've always believed, आणि मला असं वाटतं की सगळ्यांनीच जर का तसा विचार केला तर तुम्हाला पटकीने लक्षात येईल की नथिंग टू वरी. सो दॅट वन थिंग दॅट आय ऑलवेज बिलीव्ह की जे होतं ते चांगल्या करता होतं. आणि देर इज सम स्कीम ऑफ थिंग्स विच द युनिव्हर्स इज प्लॅनिंग फॉर यू. आणि जे होतं ते चांगल्या करता होतं. सो त्यातनं तुम्हाला आत्ता जरी असं वाटत असलं की हे काहीतरी माझ्या आयुष्यात चुकीचं घडतंय, तरी त्यातनं पुढे काहीतरी बेटर होणार असतं, म्हणून ते तुमच्या हातात आत्ता तसं होत असतं. सो वेन वन डोर ओपन्स वन डोर क्लोजेस द अदर डोर ओपन्स. सो तुम्हाला अगदी आत्ता वाटेल की अरे हे काय झालंय, माझं बिझनेसचं काय होणार आहे, काय नाही. But please realize that there is going to be a new normal and you don't know what role you are going to play in that new normal. Probably you're going to play a far bigger role in that new normal than what you're playing just now. So just keep your spirits up. If business is getting affected, it's getting affected for everybody. You're not alone there, if that gives you any solace. But I'm sure everything is going to fall back to normal. I can't see a world completely going for a toss because of this, something which you can't even see with your eyes. It will disrupt the world for some time. But we as human beings are far greater than to fall for this situation. We will rise up. So don't worry. Just hang in there, and you should be fine.
Wonderful. So it's basically about you being there, knowing what you are, accept where you are, and things will be, eventually working out for you. There might be a bigger role that नियतीने काहीतरी ठरवलं असतं. Destiny might have something that you never think of around the corner. I think that is the message you have, Manju.
And one more thing I will like to say, आपल्या लहानपणी एक आनंदी कावळ्याची गोष्ट आपल्याला सांगायची की त्या आनंदी कावळ्याला तेलात उकळत्या तेलात टाकलं तरी तो त्याच्यात आनंदच बघायचा. त्याला पाण्यात टाकलं तरी म्हणायचं कसं छान पोहायला मिळते मला. त्याला जिथे टाकेल तिथं तो त्याच्यात आनंद शोधायचा. सो मला असं वाटतं आपण ह्या काळात तरी निदान आनंदी कावळं व्हायला पाहिजे की जे आहे ह्याच्यातनं वेगळा आनंद आपल्याला काय मिळतोय हे थोडस विचार केला तर तुम्हाला नक्कीच समजून येईल की ह्याच्यातनं तुम्हाला काय वेगळा आनंद मिळतोय. आणि that is really that you should enjoy, because this is what it is. The present is that. Don't think too much about future. Enjoy your present. Be Anandi Kavla. I'm sure you will be more Anandi Kavla in the future to come.
एक म्हणजे त्याच्यातच असं होतं की look at your present which is now as a present, as a gift.
As a gift.
आत्ताची जे प्रेझेंट आहे ते गिफ्ट म्हणून घ्या. So you would do better. So I think great to have you, Manju, and it was very insightful and very free-flowing discussion that you had. Thanks for those open remarks, and I'm sure that it will definitely motivate a larger audience.
Yes, thank you so much for having me here, Shirish, and Shrikant also for suggesting my name out here. And great to be interacting with you all, and wish you all the luck, and see you soon in a new relationship in new times to come. Thank you.
Wonderful, Manju. I think all of our best wishes are there for you and your ventures that you do. It was definitely touching when you spoke about those individuals far reaching. Those are not exposed to that kind of life that we are, and you are making them happy, seeing happiness into them as your happiness, and that basically multiplies. So our best wishes for your noble initiatives, and we are sure that you will do best and better, larger life for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
बिजनेस कोई भी हो, सक्सेस की नींव हम रखते हैं.
बुलंदियों को छूने की आपके अरमानों की उम्मीद जगाती जोत है, हर सपनों का हम स्रोत है.
सही स्ट्रेटेजी, परफेक्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग और बिजनेस ग्रोथ के लिए हम आपके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर आपकी स्वप्न पूर्ति करते हैं. स्त्रोत कंसल्टेक, सिनर्जाइजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.